For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting an ice cream business is both exciting and rewarding. Whether you're envisioning a trendy artisanal gelato shop or a mobile ice cream cart, the right planning can help you scoop up profits. Today, thanks to free AI tools, launching a successful ice cream venture is more achievable than ever. These tools can assist you with market research, business planning, branding, inventory, and marketing at little to no cost. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to start your ice cream business using free AI. Step 1. Conduct market research with free AI tools. Before investing any money, use AI to explore your market. You need to understand demand, customer preferences, trends, pricing, and competition. Start by using ChatGPT or Google's Gemini to generate insights about local market trends. Try a prompt like, analyze the current ice cream industry trends in your city/state and identify consumer preferences, peak seasons, and top competitors. This will help you decide on flavors, pricing, and business model, shop, cart, truck, or wholesale. You can also use Google Trends to check interest in keywords like vegan ice cream or rolled ice cream in your region. Step 2. Write a business plan using ChatGPT. A clear business plan is essential to secure funding and guide your steps. Use ChatGPT to create your plan by prompting. Write a detailed business plan for a small ice cream business in your location, including executive summary, company description, market analysis, product line, sales strategy, and financial projections. Edit the results with your specifics, such as startup costs, suppliers, and operating hours. Free spreadsheet tools like Google Sheets can help organize financial data and forecast revenue. Step 3. Choose your ice cream business model and location. Decide whether you'll open a retail store, operate a mobile cart, offer catering, or run a food truck. Use ChatGPT with a prompt like, compare the pros and cons of starting a brick-and-mortar ice cream shop versus a mobile ice cream truck in your city. For location selection, use Google Maps and Google My Business to analyze foot traffic, nearby competition, and customer reviews. Step 4. Develop a unique brand identity with free AI design tools. A memorable name, logo, and theme are crucial. Use a prompt such as, suggest 10 unique and catchy brand names for a fun, family-friendly ice cream business. Then use Loca, free version, or Canva to design a logo, menu templates, and marketing materials. Canva also offers AI-generated design suggestions and tools like Magic Design to create polished branding assets. Step 5. Plan your menu and test recipes using AI and online resources. Crafting your menu is more than choosing flavors. It involves market appeal, cost, and ease of production. Ask ChatGPT. Create a profitable ice cream menu with 10 best-selling flavors, including 2 vegan and 2 seasonal options. Include estimated ingredient costs and suggested retail prices. Once you have a menu draft, you can use YouTube and Reddit to find recipe tutorials or substitute low-cost ingredients without compromising quality. Step 6. Calculate startup costs and find equipment using AI. Use free AI tools to estimate your startup expenses. Prompt ChatGPT with, estimate the startup cost for a small ice cream shop, including equipment, licensing, supplies, and marketing. Then use AI shopping assistants like ChatGPT browsing, if available, or Microsoft Copilot and Edge to find budget-friendly suppliers for freezers, mixers, cones, and cups. Keep track of your budget in Google Sheets. Step 7. Take care of licenses and permits. AI can't replace legal advice, but it can guide you. Prompt ChatGPT. What licenses and permits do I need to start an ice cream business in your state or city, and how do I get them? This may include health permits, food handler certification, a business license, and sales tax registration. Cross-check the answer with your local government website to make sure you're compliant. Step 8. Develop a marketing plan using free AI tools. Attracting customers is crucial. Start with a ChatGPT prompt like, create a low-cost marketing plan for a new ice cream business, including social media ideas, promotions, and local outreach. You can use Canva's AI social media planner to generate visuals for Instagram, Facebook, or flyers. Leverage Meta's AI-powered ad manager to target local demographics effectively. AI-generated email campaigns via MailChimp's free tier can help engage new customers with launch offers. Step 9. Build an online presence with free AI assistance. You need a website and social media presence. Use Wix's free AI website builder to create a site with a menu, hours, map, and photos. Ask ChatGPT. Write a homepage and About Us section for an ice cream shop targeting families and students in your location. For social media, use ChatGPT or Canva Magic Write to generate post ideas and captions, like create 7 social media post ideas to promote a new artisanal ice cream flavor every week. Step 10. Launch and collect feedback using AI tools. Once your business is ready to open, focus on gathering feedback and improving. Ask ChatGPT. Create a simple customer feedback form to collect opinions on flavor, service, and cleanliness. Use Google Forms to implement the survey and analyze responses. For reviews and testimonials, encourage satisfied customers to leave feedback on Google or Yelp. Use sentiment analysis tools like Monkey-Learn, free version, to interpret the tone of reviews and identify improvement areas. Step 11. Optimize operations with AI over time. As you grow, use free AI tools to streamline inventory, scheduling, and performance tracking. Use Google Sheets with ChatGPT formulas to track stock levels and reorder points. Prompt ChatGPT. Create a simple spreadsheet to track daily ice cream sales by flavor and identify bestsellers. For staff scheduling, try free apps like When I Work, or use AI in Google Calendar for shift planning. Analyze customer behavior and adjust your menu, pricing, or marketing based on AI-generated insights. Conclusion. Launching an ice cream business no longer requires a huge investment, thanks to the accessibility of powerful AI tools. From brainstorming your brand and menu to creating a business plan and marketing strategy, AI can be your full-time partner. The key is to prompt well, act consistently, and combine creativity with data. With planning, flavor, and a scoop of tech, your ice cream venture can melt hearts and grow profits, all without breaking the bank. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.